We only want peace. We don't want war.
I think India should not fight a war with Pakistan.
They are taking us for granted now.
As of now, I don't think so.
Yeah, I think India should attack Pakistan.
No, India shouldn't attack Pakistan.
The common people of Pakistan will be hurt, and I don't think common people of either country should be hurt.
India should not attack Pakistan. Like, if we do, we are not like them.
I feel attack is not an option. There are many options to be, taken under. But if there are no options left, attack ही बचता है. But that's not the first option, Harmony and peace should be prevailing.
They are attacking us too, and it is not a way. हाथ पे हाथ धर के बैठे रहो, कुछ करो नहीं. क्रिकेट खेलना बंद कर दो उनके साथ. This is not done. We have to give them an answer and give a strong answer and stop this right now.
And I think we should not attack Pakistan because first it's our neighbor and we don't fight with our neighbors. Some of the peoples are bad, it doesn't mean the whole country is bad.
Running a war would send us 30 years back economically. So what's the point in that?
India should attack Pakistan. हिंदी में जवाब देना चाहता हूँ. Tit for tat या ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से.
There is always an unrest between these two countries, and what we want is more peace and betterment.
Being the upcoming superpower, I do think India should give a very good reply to this.
They think that Muslims are the only terrorists. Yeah, some of them are. Okay, I'm not saying they are not. Some of them are. If a 1 or a 2 second person is doing, you cannot blame the whole society. That the whole Muslim society is a terrorist.
They have always been attacking us, but we should not reciprocate in the same manner. We should keep the peace that we have been keeping since independence. There will be a day when there will be peace among both the countries.
We shouldn't be really calm and defensive about it, so as to tell Pakistan that, अगर हमारे यहाँ पे महात्मा गांधी हैं तो भगत सिंह और उस तरह के लोग भी हमारे इंडिया में हैं.